powerful and soul-stirring performance it was. A big round of applause for our talented performers who beautifully portrayed the courage of India's brave daughters.
Yes, you are right. That was not just a dance, that was the heartbeat of India on stage. The energy, the expressions, the spirit, everything seemed patriotism.
This performance reminded us that every daughter of India is a Shaurya Misal, a living example of courage.
Now, as we continue this beautiful evening of Abhinandan 8, it's time for us to hand over the mic to our talented seniors.
So please welcome Aditya Bhaiya and Khushidi who will be taking you through the next segment of this grand celebration. At last, this is Hiba.
And I, Saksham,
Signing off with love and pride. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Saksham and Hiba.
A very warm good evening to everyone.
I am Khushi.
And I, Aditya,
We stand here with you all on this grand occasion of
Abhinandan
Abhinandan 8.
8. This evening is not just about performance, it's about celebrating talent, hard work and the spirit of our schools.
Education is not just about school and exams. It's about values, discipline and growth.
And the one who constantly guides us on this path of learning and excellence is our respected principal ma'am.
Before we invite our respected principal ma'am on the stage, let us express our regards to her.
जिनके शब्दों में संस्कारों की मिठास है, जिनके कर्मों में कर्तव्य की पराकाष्ठा है, वो दिशा है जो भटके कदमों को संभालती है।
वो प्रेरणा है जो हर मन को प्रफुल्लित करती है। वो प्रेरणा है जो हर मन को प्रफुल्लित करती है। उनका आशीर्वाद ही हमारी ताकत बन जाता है। उनका नेतृत्व ही विद्यालय को गौरव दिलाता है। उनका नेतृत्व ही विद्यालय को गौरव दिलाता है।
So now we would like to invite our respected principal ma'am of CBSE school for presenting principal report.
Thank you Aditya and Khushi for this generous introduction. हर सुबह नई उम्मीदों का संदेश लाती है। हर सफलता नई कहानी कह जाती है। ये साल भी रहा मेहनत, लगन और विश्वास का प्रतीक। हर उपलब्धि में छिपी है हमारी पूरी टीम की जीत। A very good evening to ladies and gentlemen to the star-studded evening of Abhinandan 8. Once again, I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Mr. R. Jagat Sai, IAS and CDO of Chandoli. Welcome, sir. I heartily welcome respected Mataji, the founder of SRBS Group of Educational Institutions, respected MD sir, AMD sir, Director ma'am, and the respected trustees and trustee families. I also welcome the revered principals and the secretaries of all CBSE SRBS schools and the degree colleges. SRBS Mughalsarai started its journey in 2015 and with only 200 students and merely 15 teachers. But now it is an enormous branch of 1300 students and 75 teachers. We have other sprawling branches, SRBS Arwara and SRBS Sikandarpur. And I am proud to share that we are coming up soon with a new branch in Varanasi, SRBS Varanasi. Academics is always the face of a school. So let us throw some light on our brilliant performance of board results 24-25. Janvi Singh of Commerce with 90.6% scored the highest, followed by Nakshatra Tiwari of PCM with 90%, followed by Divya Kumari of Humanities with 90%, Rishabh Yadav of PCM with 90%, Sanskriti Maurya of PCB with 89%, and Ankita Yadav of Commerce with 89%. The graph shows the result analysis, and I am proud to share that the average of SRBS School Mughalsarai is higher than national average of CBSE. We are perfect 100. We have got the perfect 100 in applied arts. More than 10 students have scored 100 out of 100 in this subject, and in music we have more than 6 students who have scored 100 out of 100. We are proud to share that our alumni Nidhi Gautam has secured her position position in IIT BHU by clearing the C Advanced. And similarly, Anandi Maurya secured her position in computer science by getting a good rank in CUET. Our students of commerce, there are many: Rishabh, Ritesh, Disha, Janvi, Harsh, Saurabh, Rohit, Ankita. They all have secured positions in CUET examination, and they got their positions in DU and BHU, which are the prestigious universities of India. Similarly, our students of humanities group, Divya and Soumya and Priyanshi, they secured their seats in prestigious Kamla Nehru College and Daulat Ram College of DU. Moving towards class 10th results, we have our toppers Prachi Kesri with 95%, Nancy Singh with 94.8%, Avinash Tiwari with 94.6%, Kartikeya Tiwari 92.8%, Pawan Kumar Chauhan with 90.2%, and Ankita Vishwakarma with 90%. The graph shows clearly their dedication and commitment. This result doesn't come like that. We have strategies to follow. The timely completion of syllabus, practicals, projects, high order thinking skills questions, continuous and comprehensive assessment are some of them. In SRVS, we believe that success is not an overnight achievement, but the result of consistent hard work and dedication over time. Now, I will like to invite Amrit for sharing the academics and activities of pre-primary and primary wing. Over to Amrit.
Thank you, ma'am. This is Amrit Ranjan of class 4, standing in front of you to share the report of activities we enjoy in our pre-primary and primary wing. Our primary wing has amazing and fun-filled classrooms. Our teachers are so loving and caring that school becomes a second home for us. The vision of education for pre-primary and primary wing in SRVS School Mughalsara includes holistic development, child-centering approach, flexible curriculum, inclusivity and equity, integration of technology, lifelong learning mindset. Our educators also go through various types of activities to foster different skills: storytelling session, puzzles and playful science experiments to develop cognitive skills, role-playing and group projects to develop social and economic skills, reading aloud and extempore to develop language and communication skills, cooking without fire and activities like Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam to develop life skills, art, craft, dance and outdoor play activities to develop motor skills. All these activities play a major role to improve our academic performance as well. As we can see in the paragraph, 25 students from class nursery to UKG scored more than 90% marks. 13 students of class 1 scored more than 90% marks. 12 students of class 2 scored more than 90% marks. 11 students of class 4 scored more than 90% marks. 10 students of class 5 scored more than 90% marks. Our students qualified with flying colors in Hummingbird Olympiad. Many students made us proud by achieving national ranks in Bloom's Olympiad, rank and 11th. Let us move to the photographic journey of activities we do in our pre-primary and primary wing. We have happy classroom where we engage in various fun-filled activities and we learn through playing. We have a beautiful and attractive activity room to perform various learning activities. Various role play, storytelling sessions and active learning strategies are implemented for us by our teacher. We learn difficult science concepts through hands-on experiments. By the initiative of our respected MD sir, to improve the general awareness and our conversation skills, we learn 1 GK question daily and we also go for classroom example and translation activities every day. The Star Child Award is given to one student in each section for extraordinary performance, which is very motivational for students. We are rooted to our culture through various festival celebrations like Sawan, Janmashtami, Eid, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Utsav, Navratri, Diwali, Chhath Puja and Christmas. We learn to respect nature through our activities like Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam under the Eco Club Mission for Life. We learn family values by celebrating grandparents and Mother's Day. Students of pre-primary and primary wing also celebrate Teacher Day enthusiastically.
We also play various outdoor games and do yoga because a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. We celebrate the monsoon feast and Juicy Day enthusiastically. We enjoy a variety of fun-time activities like yoga, art and craft, badminton and other sporting activities, cooking without fire and skating. We also go for various learning expeditions to learn something beyond classroom like visiting Didio Park and Barneji Factory. This year we celebrate Christmas and New Year in a special way with the students of Blind School. We all share gifts and food items with them. Thus, in pre-primary and primary wing, we aim to create a more equitable, inclusive and effective educational framework that prepares children for future challenges while fostering their overall development. Thank you and over to ma'am.
Thanks, Amrit. That's a nice report indeed. Next, I want to call Mantasha for the report of middle wing. Over to Mantasha.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to one and all present over here. I, Mantasha of class 6, is going to present a report on academics and activities of middle wing, that is for classes 6 to 8. Our vision of education for middle wing is holistic development with balanced curriculum to integrated academics, art, sports and life skill. Skill development which enhances critical thinking and problem solving skills. Inclusive education to ensure education is inclusive for all students and differentiated instruction to accommodate diverse learning needs and style. Technology integration to improve the digital literacy and blended learning model that utilizes both traditional and digital platform. Focus on mental and physical well-being. Their counseling services and health and nutrition programs are organized. Lifelong learning mindset to cultivate curiosity and equip students for future challenges. We do engaging activities in classroom to foster various skills. Some of those are debate club, art integration projects, coding challenges, creative writing, public speaking, hands-on science experiments and many more. All these activities deeply impact our academic performance as you can see in the graph. 18 students got more than 90% in class 6, 12 students got more than 90% in class 7, whereas 9 students got more than 90% in class 8. Our teachers and students are working hard to excel more in academics in coming years. Our teachers are honored Star Child certificates every month. Let us go through some glimpses of activities done in middle wing. We students have a deep sense of care for environment through programs like Eco Club Mission for Life. We learn the difficult concepts of science through hands-on science lab activities. We learn the different concepts of subjects like history, geography and Hindi by subject enrichment activities. We students also learn various music notes in our music classes. We inculcate the habit of natural conservation by celebrating events like Dolphin Conservation Awareness. Our students show their talent by preparing various working models of science and they also participated in the Inspire Science Making competition organized by the Government of India. Improve the journal awareness and communication skill. Students every day go through GK question, different extempore topics and translation activities in class. Students show their talent by qualifying Bloom's Olympiad and Sanskrit Gyan Pariksha. We celebrate various festivals and do different activities in school to foster culture values and inculcate respect for heritage. 7 celebration through Kajri songs by girls of middle school. Jagannath Rath Yatra celebration. Labor Day celebration by honoring the hard work of all the maids, cleaning staff and peons. Rangoli making and diya making during Diwali celebration. We organized a book fair under the book reading club to inculcate reading habits in students. Our students visited Sarnath to study the historical significance of the place. We also enjoy various fun-time activities like yoga, public speaking, dance, skating, cooking without fire and many more. All these activities increase our mind and body coordination. Our vision aims to create a robust educational framework that not only prepares students academically but also foster their overall development, enabling them to become responsible, innovative and adaptable individuals in society. Thank you and over to ma'am.
Thank you you so much, Mantasha. Now, I would like to invite Diksha, the head girl of the school, for the report of secondary and senior secondary wing. Over to Diksha.
Thank you, ma'am. This is Diksha, head girl of SRVS School, Mughalsarai, standing in front of you to share the report and activities of the secondary and senior secondary wing. In SRVS School, Mughalsarai, we believe that the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is a goal of true education. Our vision of education for secondary and senior secondary wing includes holistic and multidisciplinary education, which gives flexibility in subject choices and integration of vocational education, competency-based and skill-oriented learning, incorporating 21st century skills to become global citizens, ethical and value-based learning. We have clear-cut strategy which align with our vision of education. Some strategies we follow are project-based learning, group discussion, seminars and debates, experiential learning, field visit activities and internship, coding and digital literacy, community service and social responsibility projects, cross-disciplinary activities, creative expression and art integration, peer teaching and collaborative learning, flexible and modular assessments and many more. Let us go to the photographic journey to show the various facilities and activities we enjoy in senior wing. We have theme-based morning assembly every day to show various topics such as positive thinking or importance of time management. We have digital classrooms where we learn concepts from blended learning models. We have educate physics, chemistry and biology lab for various subject-related experiments. We have a big computer lab with 40 computers to continue with the digital era. To inculcate reading skill, we have a rich library. By the initiative of our Honorable MD Sir to improve general awareness and conversation skills, we get one question of GK every day followed by an extempore on various topics. We go for various learning expeditions to enjoy the concepts in real life beyond classrooms. This includes visits of humanities student to Bharat Kala Bhavan, biology student to Indian Institute of Vegetable Research and the commerce student for the Namo Ghat. We celebrate Teachers' Day where we give tribute to our teachers through the various cultural events. We enjoy the Grand Republic Day celebration and Independence Day celebration which instill the value of nation first in all students. Students of applied arts show creative expression with their art forms. We inculcate the cultural values through the celebration of various festivals like Navratri and Diwali. Students learn the value of social responsibility through community service like cleanliness drive and programs like road safety awareness. We instill leadership skill in our students through the investiture ceremony where the junior and senior council of school is selected. We celebrate a grand farewell every year which we bid adieu to our seniors and wish them luck for their future endeavors. We envision secondary and senior education as a comprehensive, inclusive and skill-based system that prepares students for higher education, employment and responsible citizenship. Summer camp is always a grand event in SRVS School, Mughalsarai. This year we also celebrate with huge enthusiasm and different kinds of events. Students enjoy poetry and try their hands to make small artifacts. Camel and horse riding is something which is enjoyed by every student irrespective of their age. The Burma Bridge made of ropes is something new this year and students loved it. Rope climbing, military net and other sports events are also included during summer camp. We have introduced the zip line to increase adventure elements and students really have fun with it. Art and crafts and cooking without fire also include and students try their hand by making some delicious food items. The best part of camp was to visit the water park, which the students enjoyed to the fullest. Thus, the summer camp culminated blissfully and rejuvenated the students. They eagerly start waiting for next year's summer camp. We also have wonderful sporting facilities in our school. Students have facility for various indoor games like chess, carom, kickboxing and also for outdoor games like cricket, kho-kho, badminton and volleyball. Our boxers showed their incredible talent in CBSE Zone Boxing Championship 2025 by winning 4 medals, which includes 1 gold and 3 bronze medals. Sports teaches us lesson that every failure is an opportunity to improve and to come back stronger. Thank you, and over to ma'am.
Thanks, Diksha, for this wonderful report. Moving ahead, I like to emphasize on the amazing transport facilities we have in our school. To fetch the students from different corners of the city, we have a fleet of more than 40 buses, and I'm happy to share that we have added 3 more buses to this fleet this year. We organize timely parent-teachers meeting to get feedback from parents, which help us to improve and strive more towards the perfection. We discuss various strategies for the improvement of academic performances of the student. At SRVS, we believe that excellence is not the skill, but it is an attitude. So, time to time, we organize teachers training and workshop. With the help of our management indeed, various teacher training workshops are arranged in a school from internally as well as externally from CBSE resource persons. This helps in capacity building of our teachers and be at par with the new strategies of education. Our management will well understand the fact that the teachers also deserve a break. So we all celebrated some fun-filled day. One of that is Abadi picnic spot and a lunch at Barbecue Nation. Moving ahead, I would like to thank for this my respected director ma'am and MD sir. We have future plans to integrate. Some of them are robotics and AI lab in a school in the coming session and adult tinkering lab for the students up to grade 8. We will also like to introduce some new optional subjects like guitar, legal studies, Indian dance forms in optional subjects of class 11. We are also planning to have a basketball court in our school. A school is a golden triangle with 3 key stakeholders: the teachers, the parents, and the students. And the research shows that those students whose parents are more involved succeed more in a school. इस SRVS मुगल सराय के प्रांगण में आने वाले प्रत्येक छात्र के लिए हम प्रयास करते हैं कि शिक्षा केवल पुस्तकीय ज्ञान तक सीमित ना रहे, बल्कि एक उज्जवल जीवन की दिशा तय करे। हमारे अभिभावक निरंतर हमें आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते रहे हैं और हम आशा करते हैं कि उनका सहयोग भविष्य में भी हमें इसी प्रकार से मिलता रहेगा। SRVS में शिक्षा का मूल्य ज्ञान के साथ साथ चरित्र, संवेदना और आत्मविश्वास का निर्माण है। इन्हीं मूल्यों को आधार बनाकर हम आने वाले वर्षों में भी शिक्षा की इस उज्जवल यात्रा को नई दिशा देने का संकल्प लेते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Heartfelt gratitude to our respective principal ma'am for presenting the annual report so beautifully.
Your word always encourages us to aim higher and achieve greater success.
Thank you, ma'am, for being our constant source of inspiration. And now, moving from world of achievement to world of devotion.
We feel truly blessed to take you into the story of faith
Devotion.
and courage.
भक्त प्रहलाद। भैया, सब लोग भक्त प्रहलाद के बारे में बात करते हैं, बट हु वाज ही एक्चुअली? एक छोटा सा बालक, लेकिन उसकी कहानी तो इतनी बड़ी है।
बिल्कुल, प्रहलाद एक ऐसा नाम है जिसे भक्ति का प्रतीक कहा जाता है। He was the son of the mighty king Hiranyakashipu, the one who believed he was God himself.
What? His own father didn't believe in भगवान विष्णु?
Yes, but प्रहलाद उसने तो कभी विष्णु की भक्ति छोड़ी ही नहीं। No fear, no doubt, only faith. Satyam vad dharmam char, speak the truth and follow the right path.
And that faith was tested again and again, fire, snakes, mountains, but nothing could harm him, क्योंकि प्रहलाद के साथ था सच और श्रद्धा का बल।
And do you know, there is a line of Bhagavad Gita that describes him perfectly. Dharmo rachati rachita. Those who protect dharma are themselves protected by the dharma.
और भैया, एक संस्कृत श्लोक है जो प्रहलाद जी के भक्ति स्वरूप को बहुत सुंदर तरह से व्यक्त करता है।
प्रहलादो भक्ति रत्नस्य मणिभूत्वा विराजते यदि नारायणं ध्याननं नित्यमेव समाहितम्।
पितुवाक्यं न सिरोति दैत्यचार्यं संसनं इकोचितो हरो भक्तं सर्वदा परं गतं तं नमामि महाभागं प्रहलादं भक्त विग्रहम्।
इस श्लोक का अर्थ है प्रहलाद भक्ति के रत्नों में सबसे चमत्कार मणि हैं। उनका मन हमेशा भगवान नारायण में स्थिर रहता था।
न उन्होंने पिता के कठिन शब्दों का डर माना, न दैत्य गुरुओं की बात सुनी। उनके लिए तो सिर्फ हरि भक्ति ही सब कुछ थी। वो हर पल भगवान में लीन रहे और इसी भक्ति ने उन्हें परम मुक्ति दी।
And today we bring before you this divine story of courage, devotion and faith, Bhakt Prahlad.
So get ready to feel the power of truth over tyranny, faith over fear, and devotion over destruction.
Let's welcome on stage our talented student along with their entire team.